Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use themes and document formatting in MS Word. Well, these two are pretty important thing in MS Word. Document formatting is used for formatting. Basically, it changes the design, the sizes of your text, of your headings, subtitles, then subheadlines, quotes. So every content format has a designated formatting, and that's what I'm going to show you in this particular video. And then we have themes is basically the design of your overall document, right? So you can just apply any theme with just one click of your mouse and the designing will be changed according to you. So let's get into the video and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my MS Word software and this is the dummy document I have added here, right? Dummy text we do have, but here we have some lines, basically the headlines of this content, right? So let me just do one thing. Let me apply the styles in these headlines and subheadlines, and if I do have quotes, I can apply quote formatting as well, right? So how I can apply those things? First, you have to select the content, then you have to go to home tab, and in home tab you'll be able to see these designs, right? So right now we are in normal mode, then we have no spacing mode, then we have headline 2, basically h1 h2, then title tag, then subtitle, then subtitle emphasis, then intense emphasis. So we do have tons of options, and these are not just for designing, these are basically for formatting, right? So this is basically the title of this content, so I'll be marking it as title, right? Then this is the headline, so I'll be marking it as headline, right? Then let me add a line here. Now here I do want this to make sub headline, right? Or let me just open this, or make this h2, right? Like this. Then we do have this content, right? Here we can make it subtitle emphasis like this. Otherwise, if you click on quote, you'll be able to see different type of design like this, right? So you might have seen this type of design, basically this type of formatting in books and different ebooks, right? So you can do that as well, right? And I'm going to use this one, right? It is looking good, although formatting is not proper here, but yeah, it is just to show you, right? But whenever you are doing or whenever you are creating your content, you have to do proper formatting, right? Proper formatting means the title should be only one, the title of the topic, then headlines, then sub headlines, right? Then if there is a quotation, then you have to mark it as quote, right? So this is just for demo purposes, that's why. Now once you are done with your style, basically the formatting, you have to go to insert, you have to go to design, right? In design you will be able to see themes. Now we are going to apply themes here. So we have just done with our formatting. Now I'm going to apply the themes is basically for designing. Basically you can apply your any design whatever you want. Here we do have tons of options, so whatever the design you want, you can apply here, and the designing, basically the theme, will be applied in the whole content. As you can see, the text color, text designing, text format is changing. As you can see, the font style is also getting changed according to the different themes, right? So this is the default one. You can choose any one you want. Let me go with this one. This is looking good for now, so let's choose this one. Right now we do have few more options over here. If you want to reset everything, you can just click on this and it will be reset according to the previous one, right? Then we have browse for themes. This is basically for if you have any downloaded theme, separately downloaded theme, you can browse that theme as well, right? Now you can save current theme as well. Basically you can customize these themes, and how you can customize, basically you can change the colors, you can change the font style according to yourself, and that particular theme can be saved as well, right? Now once you are done with your theme, you can change the formatting here, right? Here is the formatting, basically the main formatting. Now you can choose any one of the formatting. Basically it gives you the boldness to your document, right? So the proper boldness will be given by these options basically, which is in design, right? Otherwise, if you just write content, if you are just using MS Word to write content, then you don't have to use design option, right? But when you are creating a proper document with proper designing and the final version of your document, then you have to use these options, right? Now it is hard to see it properly, that's why let me just use this option like this. As you can see here, different kind of designings are available here. Whatever you want, you can choose it, right? Let me go with the first one. Yeah, then we have colors. So you can choose different color combination as well, right? If you choose this one, then document formatting will be changed according to that design, basically color set, right? So different color sets are here. If you want, you can customize it, totally up to you, right? So you get these options, you just have to customize, right? And you know, already know about the more option, basically the advanced color settings, right? So i I hope you understood how you can create, how you can do the formatting and the theme setting in your document, right? With that said, I'll be taking your leave. But before that, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this MS Word course with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word more effectively, more efficiently. So, with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.